This fine day. A great day for being in business, isn't it? Or starting business, whichever level you may be at. Today we're going to look at statutory requirements. What are your legal obligations under the laws of your land or your community to run and operate a business? Being in business does have legal requirements. They're there to protect you as a business person. They're also there to protect your customers, your clients, your consumers of your goods or services. Where do you find that information from? Every land, every country has different laws, but most governments will have an office that you can go to and access that information. There'll be someone there that can point you in the right direction. You just have to ask them, I want to start a business, or I'm in business, what are my legal requirements under the laws of this land to be a business operator? Many governments also have an online office where you can download the legal requirements. You don't have to understand and know the details of every single act of Parliament or Congress. You just have to understand the principles behind it and those particular laws that will affect you and your business. Many businesses have different laws that could affect them. If you're a retailer, you might be bound by one set of laws. If you're a construction company, then there's a lot of other acts of Parliament or Congress that affect you for, say, for example, health and safety, construction standards and so forth. Whatever your business is, you need to check that out. I highly recommend that you go and talk to somebody and get legal advice. Now that could be a lawyer, an accountant, a business advisor. It might cost you a bit of money, but that money will be well spent in the long term. Spend $500 now, I'm not saying it's going to be that, might be less, could be more, I don't know. Now, that could save you tens of thousands of dollars in the long term. The last thing you want is something going wrong and you have big fines to pay, you've made a costly mistake, it's going to impact your bottom line, your purse. Now, get that legal advice up front and make sure you're doing things right. Another thing you need to cover yourself with is insurance. Now, some lands, that is a statutory requirement. You're bound by law to have some form of insurance. Some countries it might not be an obligation, but something you might just want to look into. Now, there are different forms of insurance, but one of the biggest ones is liability. Now, it could be a public liability that will cover in an event of someone having an accident or someone being affected, some form of hazard that's from your product or service. You need that protection. Again, there's costs involved, but long term will save you big time. Now again, I highly recommend you go and get legal advice, go and seek out those government departments, have a look online, download whatever the requirements are. Anyway, I hope that has helped. Next week we're going to look in and have a bit of fun, and that's looking at business names. You may already have a business name, or you may be looking at how do I get a business name? Well, it can be a lot of fun, so let's have a look at that next week. Anyway, good luck with your business and well done for continuing on and be successful. Thank you.